Here's Ally Fitness mobile app, so you can just install it. So yep, this is just a mobile app, and this complimentary application helps you stay connected to Ally Fitness no matter where you are. Check into the club using the mobile membership card option, fun clubs and classes, create quick access to your favorite clubs, classes, and instructors, book personal training sessions, reserve racquetball, squash courts, review your check-in history, and much more. It also supports Apple Watch. So yeah, that's the app. Check into the club, search clubs nearby, view class schedule, and then you can just open it up. You can get a guest pass here as well in the. So yeah, maybe it's only working in US, but yeah, just bringing your attention that now there is a mobile app and it's quite handy. Also, sometimes in mobile apps they have mobile only app deals. So there you have it.